Hello, and welcome to Look Back, Look Ahead. I'm Frank Calderone. Last week, ending June 26th, the Dow Index gained slightly for the week, but both the S&P and Nasdaq indexes declined as investor sentiment for tech stocks softened and economic concerns continued. New home sales fell well short of expectations in May as elevated mortgage rates continue to weigh on the housing demand. The West region was the weakest as new home sales are down 17% year over year. The Northeast region was the strongest, up 17% year over year. The median price of a new home was $424,900 in May. Personal income, disposable personal income, and personal consumption expenditures increased more than expected in May after a weak April reading. On a year-over-year basis, the PCE price index increased to 4.1%, while core PCE, excluding food and energy, increased to 3.4%. The PCE index measures the change in the prices paid by consumers for goods and services. And preliminary new orders for manufactured goods declined in line with expectations, down 4.5%, largely due to a decline in new orders of transportation equipment. Year to date, the Dow is up 7.9%, the S&P is up 7.4%, and the Nasdaq is up 8.4%. The yield on the 10-year U.S. Treasury bond is 4.4%. Oil closed at $69.46 a barrel. Gold closed at $4,071.87 an ounce, with silver closing at $58.98 an ounce. For this week of June 29th, Tuesday we'll get the home price index and consumer confidence data for June. Wednesday, the ADP employment report, manufacturing data, and construction spending will be reported. And on Thursday, we'll get initial jobless claims, the employment report, the unemployment rate, and factory orders. And as always, we'll keep a watchful eye on these and any other events that may and will shape the markets. If you have any questions or anything you've heard in this video, please give us a call. Also, call us to schedule a Zoom consultation to explore how our services may be of benefit to you. This is Frank Calderone from Raymond James in New York. Have a fantastic week. Be well, stay safe, and remember, always look ahead.